Why you always in the mood? Messing around acting brand new. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, but try to play it cool. Baby, I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view. Why you always in the mood?
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to my first video. I'm Marcel Alisra. I'm from MTSN1 Bukit Tinggi. So today we will make spaghetti bolognese. For that, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let's get started.
The ingredients are 1 pack of spaghetti pasta, 1 pack of spaghetti sauce, 1 onion, 4 cloves garlic, margarine, vegetable oil, 500 ml water, beef royco 1/2 teaspoon, pepper to taste, salt 1 teaspoon. The steps are: first, add a tablespoon of cooking oil. Second, add 2 cloves of garlic. Third, add a pack of spaghetti pasta. Wait for 10 to 12 minutes. Fourth, if the pasta is cooked, then drain. Fifth, how to make spaghetti sauce. 1. Add butter, salt, garlic, and onion. When it smells good, 2. Add the spaghetti sauce. Stir again until smooth. Three, add pepper. 4, add a little seasoning. Mix well. Sixth, put the pasta on a plate and then pour the pasta sauce. After that, just plating according to their respective creation. Finally, when the spaghetti bolognese is ready to eat together with the family. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.